So today I will be reviewing the brand new X300 Ultra from Vivo, and here's a side-by-side comparison with the X200 Ultra from last year. As you can see here, the X200 Ultra has a black case with a black hand grip, and the new X300 Ultra has a silver one with a matching hand grip as well. Mounted on the phones are the brand new 400mm Teleconverter G2 Ultra and the 200mm Teleconverter on the X200 Ultra. You can see the brand new 400mm Teleconverter is not much taller than the previous 200mm Teleconverter. The X300 Ultra features a case that I think is a blatant rip-off of the iconic Sigma BF. As you can see here in the side-by-side comparison, the texture is almost identical on both devices. One thing I really like about the new design is the way they position the lens mount. As you can see on the new model, the lens is mounted near the bottom of the device, and on the previous model it is mounted near the top. So this is what happens if you place them on the table. The new hand grip is also upgraded compared to the previous model, and like the previous model, it has both the multifunction dial and a record button, but it has in addition a charging button and also a function button which you can map to the function of your own liking. But what I didn't really like is the removal of the camera button, the dedicated camera button that is found on the X200 Ultra, as I think it's much better designed than the iPhone one. On the surface, the camera hardware appears to be identical on both devices, but the biggest upgrade this year is on the 35mm shooter, which is now a 200 megapixel sensor. So like the Hasselblad X2D2, a bigger megapixel count camera allows you to crop in and reframe your shots. The stabilization is also another biggest under the hood change this year. It now features CIPA 7.0 stabilization. Also new this year is the addition of a color temperature sensor found here, which is similar to the one found in the Huawei Mate series for improved color accuracy and precision. Another very big upgrade this year is the introduction of the film style and film look filter. So in this mode, you can shoot vlog with halation and grains. And also the new Pro video mode is also much improved. It looks like the Blackmagic camera. And under this mode, you can choose between all the lenses, and you can shoot 4K 120 frames per second 10-bit log for all the cameras. So that's all for today's review. If you would like to know more about the device, drop your comments down below and I will shoot a follow-up video to answer your questions.